In this video, we'll look at the phrasal verb turn down and show you a number of its different meanings. The phrasal verb turn down can mean to reject or refuse a proposal or offer. A company offers you an exciting role in their company. You are very loyal to your current employer, however. Although your offer of the role with your company is very attractive, I am afraid I will have to turn it down. A friend offers you a ticket to a cricket match, but you have plans with your family. I'm so sorry, I have to turn you down. It's my mother's birthday, and I am taking her to dinner. You have applied for permission to build a home on your family's land. I hope the council approve the application. I will be very upset if they turn it down. Turn down can also mean to reduce something such as heat or volume by changing the controls on a piece of equipment. If someone in your house is cooking and suddenly you smell burning, I am going to turn down the cooker. I think the food is starting to burn. It is a hot day outside, but the office is cold. Someone has turned the air conditioning up very high. Do you mind if I turn down the air conditioning? It's getting cold in here. You are driving and you think the car is making a strange noise. Can you turn down the music? I think I hear something strange. If the rate or level of something turns down, it means it decreases. Also, the rate of something can turn down over time. An island community has experienced a lot of emigration. The people living there are worried about the declining population. The birth rate on the island has turned down considerably in the past 20 years. There was only one birth on the island this year. A company trialed a 4-day working week. We expected productivity to turn down in certain areas, but in fact, it increased by 17% across all departments. So, to sum up, turn down can mean to reject or refuse a proposal or offer. When he asked me on a date, I turned him down. To reduce something such as heat or volume by changing the controls on a piece of equipment. Turn down the music. It's too loud. The rate or level of something decreases. The rate of illness has turned down since the introduction of a vaccine. Don't forget to like or comment on our video. For downloadable comics and mind maps, write-ups and more, visit EnglishLogica.com and join our growing community of English learners.